In this video tutorial, we will explain the 4 steps of using advanced analysis features to study particle size distribution in the crystalline instrument. To use advanced analysis during your experiment, ensure this feature is enabled in the Detail tab before starting the experiment. You can also use the Advanced Analysis feature after your experiment has ended. Click the Process button on the experiment tile and then click Analyze. The analysis can be done in the Analyze tab of the experiment, under Image Analysis AI. There are 6 sections on the screen. The top banner contains settings that can be changed for analysis. The top graph shows the experiment overview. The left panel shows the same image analyzed by each detection method. The left graph will show the analysis for the selected time point. The right graph will show the analysis for all the time points analyzed. The bottom images are images collected during the experiment. This is how to measure particle size distribution. Analysis is carried out by right-clicking on the top graph and inserting a time point. You can then click and drag the time point edges to cover the area of interest. The data will populate the graphs below, and the selected images will be highlighted. Choose the particle detection method that best fits your data. Blob detection, AI pure, or AI hybrid. You can do this by clicking the images on the left. To enlarge the image, click again. The view mode shows what the detection method identifies in the images. The image on the left can be changed by clicking from the images in the bottom row. Changing settings in the toolbar will change the information in the graph. Detection mode allows you to choose between AI pure detection, blob detection, AI hybrid detection, and legacy detection. You can see the results for each detection method selected in the top graph. Shape filter allows you to filter the results for different crystal morphologies and remove detection of specific crystal shapes. View mode allows you to change between size detection and shape detection in the images on the left. Statistic allows you to change the analysis in the graphs below. For particle size distribution, we recommend leaving it on particle size. Plotting several time points will populate the graph on the right. Click on the graph to expand its size. The left side shows the time points measured. Click on them to make them visible or invisible. With this graph, it is possible to see the change in particle size distribution over the course of the experiment. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.